As a 12-year-old, I used to pull valve stems from car tires on my way to school. Every morning on my way to school, I would pass by this car parked on the street. For some reason, I got this twisted thrill out of messing with it. So, one day, I decided to remove the valve stems from all 4 tires, and continued doing it at random. It wasn't because I had any ill will toward the owner or anything like that. I didn't even know who they were. I was just bored and looking for something to do. At the time, I didn't fully grasp the consequences of my actions. I thought it was just a harmless prank. But looking back now, after serving in the army myself, I realized just what havoc I must have brought to this poor guy's life. I could not imagine have to call my first SGT multiple times with the exact same story of having 4 flats with the valve stems missing. I never got caught, but I have thought about that poor soldier on more than one occasion, and thought to myself, how could I have been such a little asshole? To whoever owned that car, I am truly sorry for what I did. I hope you never had to face any serious consequences because of my actions.